Namaste. Today we will continue with the 18th sloka in chapter 2. Antavanta ime dehā nityasyoktāḥ śarīriṇaḥ anāśino'prameyasya tasmād yudhyasva bhārata. Antavanta ime dehā nityasya uktāḥ śarīriṇaḥ anāśino'prameyasya aprameyasya tasmād yudhyasva bhārata. In the previous slokas, Bhagavan had pointed out that Jagat is mithya, which just comes into appearance. The snake in the rope appears for some time and upon analysis goes away. Similarly, when we get knowledge, the appearance of this world disappears. Disappears doesn't mean the person doesn't see the world, but sees the world with the knowledge that it is Atma Tattvam, appearing as this world. Okay, Bhagavan had pointed out some of the lakshanas of this Atma in the previous slokas. One, it is eternal, nityaha, it is present forever. Second, it is vikararahitaha, it is unchanging. Third, it is sarvagataha, it is all-pervading. Here in this sloka, Bhagavan talks about the asat dehā. So, asat is that which comes into appearance but does not have any real existence. Let us now go into the sloka. Antavanta ime dehā nityasyoktāḥ śarīriṇaḥ anāśino'prameyasya aprameyasya tasmād yudhyasva bhārata. Bhagavan has used some words. Let us understand the meaning before going into the sloka. Aprameyaha. In Sanskrit, when you use a as a prefix, the meaning is usually negated. Dharma, adharma. Jnanam, ajnanam. We see that the meaning is just negated. So here, if we understand the meaning of prameya, we will know the meaning of aprameya. What is prameya? Prameyam meaning object of knowledge. Generally, when knowledge happens, we see that there are three things. First, pramata, one who is the knower or the subject. Second, prameyam or the object of knowledge. So, prameyam means object of knowledge. Third, pramanam or the instrument through which we get knowledge. It can be pratyaksha pramanam. Say pratyaksham meaning using our senses. When I see something directly or hear something directly, it is pratyaksha pramanam. There we use our indriyas and our mind to get knowledge. There are other methods of pramanas like anumana, upamana and so on, which we will see at a later time. So, prameyam is object of knowledge. Anything in this world is usually perceived as an object. Now here Bhagavan says that this Atma is aprameyaha, meaning it is not an object of knowledge. The subject can never become an object for himself. An eye can never see itself. So here an important lakshana of Atma is that it is aprameyaha. It can never become an object of knowledge for the knower. Now let us look at the other terms. Anāśino'prameyasya, nityaha. Anāśino'prameyasya meaning nāśarahitaha, which does not undergo destruction. Nityaha meaning eternal. Again, why has Bhagavan used two terms? Because nasham or destruction can be of two types. One, the swarupa nasham, where it totally goes out of appearance, and second thing, where it changes form. A tree burnt to ashes is an example of swarupa nasham. A lump of gold changing form is an example of parinama nasham, or where it has changed into some other form. Here, Bhagavan says that it is nityaha. It doesn't change in any way and has no destruction. Now, Bhagavan has used one more word, śarīriṇaḥ. one who has a body is shariri. One who has gunam in Sanskrit is guni. One who has dhanam or wealth is dhani. Here shariri means one who has a body. Here Bhagavan points to the Atma and says that he has a body. Śarīriṇaḥ meaning for him. So for him, the dehā, the body, is antavanta. It has an end. The Atma, which is anāśam, which is beyond destruction, which is nityah, which is aprameyah, which is not an object of knowledge, and for him, his body is antavanta. It has an end. This body is a bhogayatanam as per Shastras. Bhogayatanam meaning a place of residence, a dwelling place. This where this Jivan stays to experience both happiness and sorrow based on the karma it has done before. Good karmas fetch good bodies, bad karma fetches bad bodies. This body is made up of the Panchabhutas, just like our houses are made up of stones and bricks. Dehā in Sanskrit is from the root word deh, which means to grow. To conclude, Bhagavan has pointed out that this body has an end and therefore asks Arjuna to yudhyasva, so to go and fight. We'll continue with the next sloka tomorrow. Dhanyavadaha.